Congratulate Vivek Gautam, and I am director for this creating wonderful platform for the young designer of tomorrow. And I wish all the best to the all winners. Thank you very much. In fact, I watched the designer. They are very good, and I think they will can go up to the international level. That's I'm very confident about the designer.
Hi, I'm Sagar Kazekar. I'm the show director for the Graduate Show 2025. So now this show is by Eraf Andheri Bandra, Thane. And this is a platform for students where they can showcase their aesthetics. This is a platform where they start their brand. And I'm sure in upcoming days, in upcoming years, months, you will see all of them flourishing their brand in the market. And kudos to the team. I love them. Thank you. So the fashion show today is a mixed blend. It's a mix of different palette, different color palette, different blends of themes. You will find a theme which is from dark gothic, which is from historic era. You'll also find a Hercules theme, which is Achilles, which is again based on a warrior, but at the same time you have street side theme as well as evening gown. So it's a mixed bunch of everything, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you.
Student of this NIF Andheri. I'm showcasing today. Yeah. I feel honored that I'm able to showcase my creativity in this amazing platform, and I just wish that my creativity is shown to the world so that people can see and just have fun with it. Yeah. Thank you. I'm really thankful for this opportunity given by NIF Andheri. So as you can see, our collections have already gone live now. So you feel free to go through them. It's a year full of hard work, and I hope you can experience the journey as we have experienced. Thank you. So, all of us have worked really hard on developing each and every piece that you see over here. So it's all blood, sweat and tears, and we all just hope that you like it as much as we have, the amount of pains that we have taken. We just hope you really love it. That's all.
Okay, so I'm Urzan and this is Justin, and we were really fortunate to model for NIF students, the graduate students. The designs were amazing, the collection was good, and me as an androgynous model, I really got the opportunity to showcase the world that people are still into androgynous modeling, and it needs a lot of awareness, and it needs to be out there. So I'm really thankful. Acceptance, yeah, exactly. So I'm really thankful to NIF Andheri and everyone to give me that opportunity.
Exactly. It was for me an iconic experience, and I loved it. It was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
What would you like to say about the fashion show?
The fashion show, the one which is happening right now, yeah, definitely amazing designs to look forward to. And the students have worked really hard for this. So definitely go for that. Thank you. Thank you.
Fashion photographer and image consultant by profession, image consultant at V-Chic Image Consultancy. I've traveled and shot in more than 49 countries around the world, and now since it's been a while, almost 2 years, I came to India, and Vivek came in my life like an angel, and when I met him I was like, this is it. There's no need for me to go back to the States again. There's something that we can definitely work together out, because me being an image consultant and a fashion photographer, and he having his own institute of fashion, and there was a lot that we could bring in together. We are looking for many more future collaborations between NIF Fashion Institute and V-Chic Image Consultancy to bring the youth, to teach the youth values for today, which they can incorporate in their day-to-day lives, and which can also help them be the best version of themselves. Thank you very much.
What would you like to say about the show? Are you excited tonight?
Absolutely. Where this is, I'm representing V-Chic Image Consultancy. I'm super excited for the show, and I'm really looking for many more collaborations in future with NIF and V-Chic Image Consultancy. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
yourself and
Hi, my name is Shruti Dongde and I'm showcasing my final collection at the Graduate Show 25. And I'm really glad that my college gave me this opportunity.
what would you like to say about the show?
The show was really good so far and I'm really excited for the show right now in my collection to be showcased. And there's been a lot of back and forth and a lot of hustle going around to make this work, and I feel it's going to be a really amazing show.
Can you just tell us what are you choosing and what is your collection?
My collection name is the Heaven Lord. So basically, my inspiration is the European Baroque church, where I have taken inspiration from the aesthetics of the Baroque church and tried to put it in a modern way.
Can you tell something about
Vivek sir has always been supportive and encouraging towards all the students, always want us to do something or the other every now and then, and he's the best.
My name is Kashmisha and I'm here at the Graduate Show 25 to present my graduation collection at UNC. So it was based on a Greek warrior and I wanted to bring out his masculinity and vulnerability but into a feminine silhouette and give a contrast through modern lens of femininity.
What would you say about the founder?
He is actually a really helpful person and he actually supports us in everything, and if we are facing any issues he's just there for us to fix it within a second. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm actually looking forward also for the new era that is about to begin. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm celebrity stylist and fashion designer Arjun Kapal. So thank you Vivek and Gautam ji for inviting me. I'm so happy to be such a part of this show. And I love all collection. All students are so talented and so creative. I just thank Vivek ji and all the designers. They are such a very talented, and my best message with all designers. Thank you so much. Thank you.
ये मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है और ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया गया है न्यू टैलेंट को दिया गया है, न्यू डिज़ाइनर्स को दिया गया प्लेटफॉर्म है और यहाँ पे उन्होंने अपना काम शोकेस किया है और देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे। और विवेक जी ने जो अरेंजमेंट की है वो काफ़ी बहुत अच्छी की है और नए लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करेंगे विवेक जी। शो तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा और नए टैलेंट देखने का मौका मिला है और लोगों ने अपना टैलेंट शोकेस भी किया है और ये अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है। मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि एक या एनरोल करें और अपने टैलेंट को शोकेस करें यहाँ पर। सारे कलेक्शन अच्छे थे, सारे कलेक्शन मुझे अच्छे लगे सारे कलेक्शन। थैंक यू।
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Dipit and I'm a designer for the brand Line Outline. I am a visiting faculty at INIFT Andheri and I'm really excited to be here to see what my kids have done. I am very excited to see the finale show today and to see how the children have performed. And of course, this is just a starting journey for a lot of these kids in the industry. It'll be very difficult for me to pick and choose since they're all the kids that I've taught. So I think I'll just wish them all the very best for the future that awaits them. Thank you.
I'm for your graduate student. The fashion show today was incredibly beautiful. I'm very excited that I have this opportunity to showcase my collection, and I'm really grateful that I have this platform to showcase. Thank you so much to Vivek sir, Dr. Man, and every faculty I had here.
What would you like to say about
This 3 years have made me realize who I am as a designer and who I am as a person. And and I'm really happy that every faculty has been there throughout the entire process, throughout all the 3 years which I have been here. So I'm really grateful that they all were there for me. So thank you to all of you. Actually, it was the one with the pleats and the zippers. It was really amazing garment. That was my showstopper. And yeah, it was really challenging, but it was really great as well. Thank you.
Good student from NIF. I'm going to present today. My collection name is Marka. It is based on African tribe that is named as Karo. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. So the collection is very tribal. It is made with, in the sense of tribal and modern silhouettes. So I think it's good for women who like to be bold and comfortable with it. Mamta ma'am and Vivek sir have been our pillars. They are the one who has brought us till here. They are the one who has brought our dream to life. So it's totally amazing to learn at NIF. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Vivek Gautam. I'm the man behind the graduate show, but not the graduate show. It is the entire work of the students who pass out from a particular institute or any institute. This is the time when they put all their efforts into a thought process, a design, ideation, which comes to life from a concept to a life. And then, see, today also I'm wearing a outfit which is of my designer. And this is how the journey starts. All the camera which you see from the people who are wearing different garment and style, the stars which carry the style, they all are by these designers. So I wish them all the luck and all the wishes for a lovely show, and thanks for the people to come So as I said, students almost take 2 years of formal education, and then they go to make a final garment. And once they inspire on a particular thought process, the fabric selection, the print, the cutting, the patterns, all that defines a whole complete look. For that to derive, it is not so easy, because you are constantly bombarded with so many things, today you open a phone and there's so many inspirations, so many things, which is there. In that, you have to create something unique and very different. And that design process is very important for our youth also. What I feel that, in India, we are not concentrating too much on design, and we don't respect, designers in that aspect. We try to, copy something or do something which is easier. But if we fuel the students, or the entrepreneurs with design and let them work towards new creation, then India will go ahead, because innovation is something which India has to focus on, and we should focus and inspire on new designs all the time. Thank you.
So your top 5?
Top 5?
Maybe 5 collections you have liked.
No, I can't think. I will not know the chart fully. Yeah? Okay. Thank you.
I'm a fashion designer, but I'm also a graduate from the NIF. And it's always a pleasure and an honor for me to be here and watch the students' collections. And it's very inspiring to see, because I also started from somewhere like this, and now I'm also working in the business for the past 15 years. So I think it's always humbling and sweet to come back every year to Tassel and to NIF fashion graduation fashion show, and to witness this beautiful collection showcased by the students. Because I was a student once, and it's always exciting to see new collection and new creativity. Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू आप सभी को कि आप लोग आए हैं ये इवेंट कवर करने। ये बॉम्बे का सबसे बेस्ट डिज़ाइन इंस्टीट्यूट है NIF ग्लोबल अंधेरी, जिसकी ब्रांचेस बैंड्रा और थाने में भी हैं। एंड टुडे वी आर क्रिएटिंग हिस्ट्री बाय शोकेसिंग अमेजिंग कलेक्शंस बाय आवर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ग्रेजुएटिंग।
और उनकी जो मेहनत है, उनकी जो कला है, वो आप सब देख पाएंगे इनके कलेक्शन में। और मुझे लगता है कि ये जितने लोगों को पता चले कि एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट है जहाँ पे आप अगर एक सपना लेके आते हो तो यहाँ आप उसे पूरा कर सकते हो, तो मुझे लगता है कि डेफिनेटली ये सबको पता होना चाहिए। एंड थैंक यू अगेन एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग टू दिस इवेंट। थैंक यू ऑल। जी, एक्चुअली NIF अंधेरी के साथ मैं 12 साल से हूँ। सो मैं 24 की थी जब मैं आई थी यहाँ पर, तो आप समझ सकते हो कि मैंने एक अपने खुद की एक बहुत लंबी जर्नी देखी है विद दिस इंस्टीट्यूट। और जहाँ तक बच्चों की बात है तो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स लैक्मे फैशन वीक, लंदन फैशन वीक, न्यूयॉर्क फैशन वीक और दुबई फैशन वीक जैसे बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे शोकेस कर चुके हैं। तो आपको समझ में आएगा जब आप कलेक्शन देखेंगे और उसके इमेजेस देखेंगे कि यहाँ के बच्चे इंटरनेशनल लेवल की पढ़ाई करते हैं और उनकी काबिलियत होती है इंटरनेशनल स्टेज में प्रेजेंट करने की। सो या एनीथिंग एल्स? I think, yeah, I'm there already. Thank you so much, everyone.
up yaar Lakshitara, thank you so much. Amazing, the graduation show. Yes, I'm doing a fashion tour जो बहुत जल्दी हम लोग डिफरेंट सिटीज़ में कर रहे हैं फैशन को लेके। काफ़ी सारे गाने मेरे अपकमिंग आ रहे हैं, सो आई लव टू एसोसिएट विद द ग्रेजुएशन शो। बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ जब पूरा साल ये लोग बहुत मेहनत करके फैशन के ऊपर काम करते हैं और उनका प्रेजेंटेशन होता है। सो लाइक एंड सो हैप्पी टू सी द वंडरफुल आउटफिट्स। So thank you very much once again to everyone to promote and to new students to help them for national international level. So thank you very much once again. All the best. Eki brand.
So great congratulations to NIF for holding this kind of pageantry show. I'm Krishna Tiwari here, Joint Secretary of Rahul Education. Recently started my podcast for the aspiring entrepreneurs, and I would be looking forward to the aspiring fashion designers who are actually working so hard to make this event a grand success. I would really like to host them on my podcast again, and I wish them all the good lucks so that we all will like to wear their clothes in near future. Thank you so much.
What would you like to say about the show, about today's show, about the graduation? Yeah, just look at the stuff.
Yeah, so this show is actually the showcase of talent, the potentials of the aspiring fashion designers. So this should happen, and yeah, this kind of competitions and this kind of shows, especially the ramp walk and the clothes what they wear, really excites us, and we enjoy the new clothes coming in the market, the new trends, the new trendsetters, the new designers, the setup. It's amazing, amazing.
How is your association with Vivek Gautam? How is connected
Yeah, Vivek Gautam ji actually he invited me for this NIF pageantry show, this fashion design show. I'm into education, and he is also in education, somewhere in fashion education. And in near future, we may collab together. Yeah, sir. We may collab together in near future for fashion designing and technology. And the designers of the near future, we would like to encourage them for their new trend setting up.
Yeah, because the future is, as I said, India has to be known for their design.
And I really wish to have economical clothes with great fashion and wearable ones, especially seasonal ones, and then we are in Mumbai. We need fashion again, a very comforting dress. So like accordingly we would like to.
Yeah, so we'll
for
see
all
what-
sizes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So more power to our design students, and looking forward.
So great luck. Good luck.
Okay. Hi, good evening. I'm Archana Nagpal. I'm the design mentor for NIF Global and Dairy, Thane and Bandra for the last 20 plus years. And I've thoroughly enjoyed my journey of design, mentoring design with these upcoming budding designers, and I'm super excited to see what they have to showcase today. It's a lot of hard work which has gone in, a lot of tears, a lot of sweat and passion. Hope you have a great evening. I'm looking forward to a rocking one. Thank you.
Now we are students are going and
Yes, absolutely.
how this is
Emotionally, yes, we have actually nurtured them for the last 3 years, and this is the best parting gift that we can give each other, with them shining through with their collection and us bidding them a good farewell and wishing them a very, very bright future. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच। हमारा एसोसिएशन 12-13 साल पुराना रहा है विवेक जी के साथ, और बाकी और क्या जानना चाहेंगे? एक दशक से ज़्यादा हो गया, और मैं समझता हूँ कि जब ये सिर्फ एक सिंगल सेंटर हुआ करता था विवेक जी का, सिर्फ अंधेरी था, आज आप देख सकते हो बांद्रा और थाने 2 नए सेंटर्स विवेक जी के ओपन हुए हैं। सो ये जो एक्सपेंशन है एक दशक में, ये बहुत ही बड़ा रहा है और एक बड़ा अचीवमेंट है, और ये पूरा मैंने 10-12 सालों में मैंने ग्रेजुअली देखा है कैसे ग्रो किया है NIF ने एज ए फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट, एज ए इंटीरियर कॉलेज। बहुत अच्छा रहा है, और डे 1 से हमारा एसोसिएशन बॉलीवुड टाउन आप देख सकते हैं हमेशा से रहा है, और आगे भी हमेशा रहने वाला है, क्योंकि विवेक जी का हमारे ग्रुप के साथ भी एक इज इन आवर पैनल ऑल्सो इन बॉलीवुड टाउन। सो ये है अपनी जर्नी। देखिए, ये एक्सक्लूसिवली उन बच्चों के लिए है जो फैशन डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा भी एक और शो होता है जो कमर्शियल होता है, जो आज नहीं है। आज ये एक्सक्लूसिव अपने बच्चों के लिए है जो NIE अपने फैशन डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स कर रहे हैं, और ये हर साल होता है। ये एक एनुअल है जो फाइनल ईयर के बच्चों के लिए होता है, और कमर्शियल शो भी होने वाला है जल्द, उसका भी अनाउंसमेंट होगा। दिस इज नॉट द राइट प्लेटफॉर्म टू से एनीथिंग ऑन दैट, बट ये है कि ये एक एनुअल प्रोग्राम है जो हर साल होता है, और बहुत रेयर ऐसे फैशन कॉलेज हैं जो इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी अपने बच्चों को देते हैं। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि अपने कॉलेज के बच्चों को एक इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म देना टू शोकेस देयर व्हाटएवर दे हैव डन सो फार, ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है, और ये कॉलेज के लिए भी बहुत बड़ी बात है ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी देना अपने बच्चों के लिए।
Bharna, I'm so super excited to be here and looking forward to the show that Vivek has curated. And yeah,
What can you say about the collections? Any of your favorite collections from the show?
I'm looking forward to see what would be my favorite. Excited to pick a favorite collection from in there. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Your association with Vivek, sir, would you like to say anything?
Vivek is a wonderful person, and I know him for over a year now, and I think whatever he's bringing out through this design institute is super credible, and it's absolutely great with designing that whatever the institute has been doing for their students. So I think it's super great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. मैम, कैसे लगा? सबसे पहला सवाल है कि the graduate, how was it? How was the experience?
I had a beautiful time. बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत मज़ा आया। बहुत सारे अच्छे सुंदर डिज़ाइंस देखने को मिले, and I truly enjoyed all the shows.
Collections, इसके बारे में आपने ऑब्जर्व किया, आपको कुछ अलग लगा, like you know, from different shows?
मुझे बहुत ही सुंदर लगा, बहुत क्रिएटिव लगा, and I personally love न्यू टैलेंट अलॉट। लाइक मुझे नए डिज़ाइनर्स को और नए थॉट्स को प्रमोट करना और देखना बहुत पसंद है। सो आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम।
जिस तरह से सबने रैंप पर वॉक किया, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे? लाइक आई रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक यू नो दे हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद द एंटायर शो, दे वर्क सो हार्ड। उसके बारे में व्हाट डू यू लाइक टू से अबाउट दैट?
Yeah, definitely their sincerity showed a lot in the show, and also their hard work. And I think they were all so pretty and so beautiful and so well curated, and I had a great time, and I wish them all the best and my best wishes and good luck to them. Thank you, good night.
What would you say? Such a grand show, such a
Absolutely. It's a wonderful show. I remember we were auditioning for the models,
and I was very happy because I saw each and every whatever the things have been organized were so minutely taken care. I feel this is the foundation of a successful entrepreneur. These all participants who were putting in their efforts is all because of his institution and the way he has been nurturing them. So congratulations, he's actually making stars. And like these young minds, basically, they are the Gen Next. And as I saw that many of the his participants are already being given an opportunity to work with the ace designers of our country. I feel this is the milestone that he and the entire team has been dedicated to. So I really want to congratulate you and the entire team for this. And I'm very happy to be a part of this. In fact, these things will be covered in the forthcoming edition. But I feel more than that, I would like to hire a few of the designers for my shoots also. In fact, I'm shooting on Tuesday and his designers, I really loved the collection. See, it is very easy to be an individual, but it takes efforts of the coach and mentors so that they curve themselves in the bright future. And this is what is the efforts of his team. And I saw it and I was really very happy for this. So you'll see the collections on my cover also. So congratulations. Thank you so much.
Would you like to also
Yeah, please.
Please.
Great. No, you say congratulations, and of course it's a great thing for all these students.
Yes. Hi everyone.
This is the institute.
I'm the guest of Kushi ma'am actually, and today the show was very good. See, every student had lot of hard work and dedication behind them. It is a show of like five minutes of RAM, but it takes lots of dedication, hard work for everyone here. All our students are very good looking and very beautiful actually. I enjoyed a lot, and I hope I want to introduce few of my friends also to the institute and bring them up. Thank you. I enjoyed the show. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
आज ड्रेस देखा, इना उनके का जो गारमेंट था वो हमारे डिजाइनर जो लास्ट ईयर पास आउट हुए थे और आज उन्होंने उनको डिजाइन किया. प्लीज.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. It was really great experience to design for Tina ma'am. It was really amazing. I really loved working on that piece. Every movement, every element of that piece was really memorable to me. Thank you so much.
अपना नाम तो बताओ.
Myself Janisha Rupani. I am a fashion designer and ex-alumni of NIF College.
And you want to ask about
I would like to ask you about the show. What would you say? So many collections.
Yeah, it was a really great show, and I know the sweats which goes behind the show, even for the faculties, even for the students. It was really amazing collections to see. Really amazing thing to know that each and every student of the college is growing, learning new things and every experiences. So yeah, it was really great. Thank you so much.
Okay, all the best.
I'm a plastic surgeon, so Mr. Vivek had invited me for this event. It was a wonderfully arranged, and hats off to Vivek and his team for nurturing such a talented artist. I'm amazed how with their creations, it is superb. Everything was organized superbly, and the talent that it's coming out of NIFT is to another level, and I wish Team NIFT all the best.
Gautam and Mamta Gautam for their graduate show, and congratulations to all the students. It was really a nice and next gen show. Thank you so much.
So the graduates, okay, hi, I'm Mamta Gautam. I'm the center head of NIF Global Andheri, Bandra and Thane. And this graduate platform is made specially for the students who have finished their education, the degree program or a diploma program of 2 or 3 years, and they are launching themselves into the industry. It's a great platform wherein they learn right from what they have studied for 3 years to put it together and showcase it into a collection. Today was such a proud moment for both Vivek and me because We've seen the students not being able to draw a line, today being able to showcase a final collection. It was a great, great feeling. Thank you.
So would you like to say something? Such a grand thank you for everyone to be present here and making it grand, you know. So it's not only our effort, it is as I said, it is a teamwork. And teamwork को बनाने से बेहतर और कौन हो सकता है जब घर में हमारे टीम मेंबर हो, तो इससे बड़ी खुशी नहीं हो सकती और इससे बड़ा स्ट्रेंथ नहीं हो सकता है. So this strength is there, and we should every year again present with more and more better designs and more better innovation and more new talent to you all. Thank you.
Thank you
so much, sir. Thank you for
This side.
Sure. What would you like to say? Such a grand show.
Okay.
What a night.
Okay, if you ask me about the experience, it was such grand, and look at this outfit. It made the winning statement, and I would say this was my greatest opportunity to work with this amazing budding designers. And it's lovely connection, and the collection they have made was such beautiful and amazing, outstanding. And it was such an amazing experience you could see now.
Please, visuals.